students, I am going to talk about an important character of Pygmalion by G.V. Sharp today. This is Freddie Inspot Hill. He is a young, a smart and energetic boy. He is only son of Mrs. Innsford Hill. He is educated, cultured, well-mannered. He belongs to upper class family. One day, Mrs. Innsford Hill, her daughter Clara Innsford Hill, and Freddie Innsford Hill come to London Covent Garden. It is raining torrentially. Mrs. Innsford sends Freddie to bring a taxi to return home. Freddie goes to bring a taxi. But when he was on the way, he collides against a girl. Her name is Elijah Doolittle. She is a flower girl. She sells flower in the street. After her confrontation with Freddie, flowers of Elijah Doolittle falls down on the ground. She begins to speak loudly with Freddie. This is the first meeting between Elijah Doolittle and Freddie. But this first meeting forms a base for the love and marriage between Elijah Doolittle and Freddie. Then another young man comes there. He notes down something about Elijah Doolittle in his diary. He looks like a police inspector. People think that he is a police inspector and he is writing down something against Elijah Doolittle. But people say that Elijah Doolittle is innocent. She has not done any wrong. Later, Professor Higgins begins to surprise all the people by telling their whereabouts. They are very much interested in Professor Higgins. Professor Higgins is a professor of phonetics, science of sounds, pronunciation. Then another gentleman comes there. He is Colonel Pickering, a linguist of Indian dialects. He is also interested in the work of Professor Higgins because he is also a linguist. He also works on linguistics. So, taking the interest of Professor Higgins, Colonel Pickering tells Higgins that if he transforms this flower girl, Elijah Doolittle, into an educated girl, he will pay off all the fees on his experiment on the education of Elijah Doolittle. But Higgins is not interested in the matter. He manages a taxi for Mrs. Innsford Hill and Clara. They return home in the taxi. Then Elijah Doolittle comes to Professor Higgins' house. Professor Higgins comes to know that a stranger has come. Higgins calls the stranger to come in. Then he comes to know that she is Elijah Doolittle, whose sounds he has noted down earlier. She expresses her desire to take lesson in a speech. Then Higgins asks her maid servant, Mrs. Pierce, to bath Elijah Doolittle and wear her new dress. Now Higgins educates Elijah Doolittle in phonetics, pronunciation. She improves herself rapidly. She is sent to a family party at the house of Mrs. Higgins, mother of Professor Higgins. The party is attended by Mrs. Insford Hill, Clara Insford Hill, and Freddie Insford Hill. They are surprised to see the progress of Elijah Doolittle, the flower girl. Freddie has met with the girl earlier. Then Elijah Doolittle undergoes the training intensely, carefully, and after 6 months of training of Professor Higgins, she is able to pass off as a duchess in an ambassador party. Now, everybody is surprised to see the progress in Elijah Doolittle, a flower girl, illiterate girl. Higgins makes her an educated girl out of a flower girl. Now, Higgins wants that he should get Elijah Doolittle married to a young wealthy man, Colonel Pickering. But she rejects the proposal. Higgins demands his slippers. Elijah Doolittle throws his slippers on his mouth out of anguish and anger. The next day, her father, Alfred Doolittle, comes. He comes there on the information of the taxi driver. He asks Professor Higgins 5 pounds for her daughter. He is a drinker. Her father is a drinker. Alfred Doolittle is a drinker, and he does not take care of Elijah Doolittle at all. He does not even recognize his own daughter there. He takes the money and goes away. Then one day, Elijah Doolittle goes away from the house of Professor Higgins. She goes to Mrs. Insford Hill's house. She loves Freddie Insford Hill there, and she marries him later. Elijah Doolittle lives happily with Freddie Insford Hill. She becomes a teacher of phonetics and thus leads her life. In this way, we find that Freddie Insford Hill is a young boy. He is technically the hero of the play. Elijah Doolittle loves and marries him in the end. Thanks.